Welcome to our Psychic Intuitive Development Training Series. Be sure to watch the whole video to find out more about our psychic school, Zen Ed Academy.
This series is an introduction to our psychic development courses.
Make sure that you catch all the videos in the series in the link below for all the juicy psychic intuitive development tips.
Wherever you are on your journey, we are here to help.
And if you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenMostGarden.com,
home of our Intuitive Awakening community and Zen Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where you're watching from.
And if you got any questions as we go, drop them into comments.
Back when I was a kid, dealing with these extrasensory experiences I was having, I would have loved to have the opportunities available today to study the intuitive arts. Today, there are so many things to choose from when back in the day, I was just hoping to find one book in the library that could show me the first thing about my gifts. I mean, there were a few books here and there, but certainly not any readily available courses I could take. And even though you have to sift through a lot of nonsense on YouTube today to get some good tips, there was not anything like that when I was 12 at the library searching. So today, what do you look for in a psychic school or a psychic development course to get really qualified?
The first thing that you want to do is to avoid the bajillion paper mills out there where you take a weekend course and get a certification. When you're searching, make sure that the coursework is extensive enough to understand the mechanics of your gift and feel confident that you can continue improving even after the course is done.
Second, is there enough practice direction in the material so you have enough to practice by yourself and with others?
Third, is there some kind of a test so that your instructor can see if you actually know your stuff before they give you a certification?
Yes. Fourth and bonus, does the program offer practices with other people who are also in the same program?
Right? Because the better way to build your skill set is with practice with people who are at or above the same level that you are, right? This is one of the hardest to find out there, but we think it is extremely important. When you have a group of students at different levels to practice with, your skills can increase 5 to 10 times faster than practicing alone or practicing with random people.
Kind of charge each other up.
Yep.
You know? The intuitive arts are functions of the mind, and as such, these skills are like any other that can be developed. Developing to the point where you can use them at will takes time and commitment, but it is super fun and fulfilling when you are ready to take that leap and have the right support system in place to build confidence and clarity in your skills.
And don't forget to catch all of the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of your psychic intuition.
In the next episode, we're going to talk about how to be more intuitive.
How do you do it? How do you do it? Be sure to stay tuned for that one. If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our free Intuitive Awakening community where we specialize in helping awakening empaths, intuitives, and psychics step into confidence and clarity.
If you're ready to level up beyond that, now we talked about it in the beginning of this video, you can check out our metaphysical school and community Zen Ed Academy.
We've got some links down in the description. Check them out, see if they resonate for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below. If you like this video,
hit the like button.
Hit it hard. And if you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe
and spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new silly video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource. The fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, your skills, and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. If you want to binge on all of our other videos, I'm sure you can find them, tap on them, click on them, do whatever you want with them, but watch them. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.